Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. Now we are given a polynomial function here to solve. Let's solve it together. It reads y raised to the power cube plus y equals 10. Find the value of y. Now we say solution. To find the value of y, since we are given y cube plus y is equals 10. Now looking at this, it has two ways to solve this one. Anyone you prefer, you're going to have the same answer. Let's try the first one. Now we say y raised to the power 3 plus y. When so it's moving, you're going to have minus 10, then everything becomes 0. Now from this, we try to factorize. Now if you look at this this y, we can also express in it as, we say, but y can also be equals as 5y minus 4y. Okay, then we substitute now right away. Now we have y cube. Instead of this y, we use this one. We say plus 5y minus 4y minus 10, then everything becomes 0. Now let's group them. Now we have y raised to the power 3 minus 4y. We group them plus, we say plus 5y minus 10, then everything becomes 0. Okay, now it continues. Now if you are factorizing, what do you think is common here? It is y into what remains is y square minus 4 plus what do you think is common? Is 5 into y minus 2, then this becomes 0. Now from this point, we can say we apply difference of two square here. We can say y square minus 4, this is also equals, this results in us as, we use difference of two square, just like if you have a square minus b square, this is equals a plus b into a minus b. So the same thing that we are coming to use here for us to express this one. Now we can say difference of two square says this is y square minus 2 square. Okay, so this is equals, we say y plus 2 into y plus 2 minus 2. This is minus. Then from this point, instead of this, we use this one now. We say, now we have y into, now we have y plus 2 into y minus 2, then we have plus 5 into y minus 2, then everything becomes 0. Now from this point, and we say we factorize. Now factorize. Now factorize. Now we want to factor. What do you think is common here? It is y minus 2 that is common. We say y minus 2 common. Take it outside. Then what remains? It is y. This y enter y plus 2. What remains here? It is plus 5. Okay, then everything becomes 0. Now we have y minus 2 into this y times y, giving you y square plus 2y plus 5. Okay, this is equal 0. Now we say, since we want to find the value of y, you can say either y minus 2 equals 0, then the value of y automatically becomes 0 plus 2, then we have y then becomes 2 respectively. So it means the value of y becomes 2. This is the value of y becomes 2. Now if you look at the quadratic equation also, now let's look at this now. Or you can also have y square plus 2y plus 5 then equals 0. Now if you look at this, you can apply formula method for you to solve this one. Okay, that is, we know this is a, this is b, this is c. Okay, now from this point, we use the formula method. That is, we say y equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You can still use this formula for you to have the respective values of y in this quadratic equation. Then if you substitute, let's take it from this point. Okay, now let's substitute from this point. Now we have y is equals, what is b? We know b is given as 2. Now we say minus 2 plus or minus the square root of, what is b? We know b is 2 square minus 4 into, what is a? A is 1. 1 times c is given as 5. Then we divide everything by 2 into 1. Okay, now if we try to simplify it, now we have y. You see, we have y is equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 square, we know it is 4. Okay, minus 4 times 1 times 5 is giving you 20. Then we divide everything by 2. So now the value of y becomes minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 20, giving you minus 16. Okay, divided by 2. Now then we can say y is equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of, we know the square root of minus 16. This just like we say 16i, meaning this is imaginary number from complex numbers. Okay, divided by 2. So therefore we can say y is equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16, giving you 4i divided by 2. So therefore we can say the value of y here becomes y is equals minus 2 plus 4i divided by 2, or minus 2 minus 4i divided by 2. Okay, therefore if we divide this and this, you're going to have, this becomes minus, y becomes minus 1 plus 4i, or, so this is the other value of y, or y can also be as y becomes minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4i. Okay, so this is the other value of y. So therefore the values of y are, y is equals to, y equals minus 1 plus 4i, or y equals minus 1 minus 4i respectively. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.